Oh, it's really hot. Why is that? And look at the voltage. It's dropping fast. I just tested this battery at the current 15 amps. And look at the capacity. That's really low. Only about 600 milliamp hours? Hmm, no way. This cell is fully charged. So how much can it actually handle? So instead of just asking if this cell works, let's find its limit. At what point does it start to fall? We're going to take some tests in order to find out. Test number one, low load. Let's start easy. I'm setting the discharge current to 1 amp with a cut off at 3 volts. Oh, look at the voltage at the start. Nice and stable. No issues here. Very smooth. So the temperature is cool, very stable. Test number two, medium load. Now, let's increase the load. I'm going to raise the discharge current to 5 amps. The voltage is still holding up, dropping slowly. Nothing unusual. I think 5 amps is suitable for these batteries. And now it's starting to warm up. Yeah, obviously. This is when things start to change, but it hasn't failed yet. That's number three, high load. Let's push it further. I'm going up to 10 amps. Now, that's a big drop. It's really struggling. For a short time, the temperature is getting hot. That's not a good sign. But it's still within its operating range. The capacity reading is still high, over 1000 milliamp hours. That's number four, limit. Alright, let's find the limit. I'm going to push it to 15 amps. Let's see what happens. There it is. The voltage collapsed immediately from 4.2 volts into 3 volts immediately in a short time. The cell just can't keep up anymore. And look at the capacity. It drops really low, around 600 milliamp hours. But we got over 1000 milliamp hour at the current of 1 amp. Why is that? It's really hot. The temperature's rising fast in just a few seconds. Oh, so this is the breaking point. This battery. Every battery has a limit. Not just how much energy it stores, but how fast it can deliver it. And when you push beyond that, you get voltage drop and heat buildup. If you like this, hit subscribe. In real world, this is exactly why some batteries feel weak in real tunes. Not because they're empty, but because they are overloaded. Under heavy load, the voltage drops very quickly, and when that happens, the tune loses power. That's why it feels weak, even when the battery isn't empty. So this cell isn't bad. You just have to use it within its limit, about 10 amps. Would you use this cell for high load or keep it for lighter use? I test batteries like this all the time. So if you want to see what actually works, hit subscribe. Bye bye. Have a nice day.